What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. In today's video, we will be unboxing 3 different items in one video. Reason being, they are all the same item but different colorways. So depending on what your cup of tea is, you can pick a different troll for your liking. So that's what we're looking at today is the Tpob troll, the new and improved versions. And we're going to unbox all of these here and let you guys take a look at them, read the specifications on everything, and let you guys take your pick at which one you want to buy.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, everybody, so as you can see here, we got 3 different trolls to choose from. We got the Tpob troll with the gunmetal colorway. This has the Tpob cycle blade on it, a black Tpob cycle blade. We have the Tpob troll with the 3 different colored lids. This also has the 3 interchangeable face plates and the cycle blade as well. This is the black and green version with the gold cycle blades. So we're gonna unbox each and every one of these and let you guys see what comes with the actual trimmer. But before we get to that, I will read off the specifications for every single one of these trimmers so you guys have an idea of what you're looking like underneath the lids. So here are the 3 different troll trimmers that we got here. Now I did say that they are all the same, but one of these does have a higher RPM than the rest of them. First off, on the left side, we're gonna start with the Tpob troll, the gunmetal gray edition. It says high performance and high torque digital motor, 7,000 RPM, cuts easily through hair with just a simple slide. Simple size body at 15.2 length and lightweight at 177 grams. Psycho graphite blade with a fully exposed 360 degrees skeleton design, offers sharpest cut yet and stays cooler and rust-free longer. Ergonomic design to have balanced weight and comfortable use while still offering low noise level and superior performance. Now the 2 on the left here are going to actually be sitting at 6,800 RPMs with 240 minutes of runtime, but everything else is the same weight, also same dimensions as far as length, width, and all that. This is the 3 that we have here. Now let's go ahead and unbox and see what each of them comes with. So first up, we are going to be looking at the Tpob troll with the 3 lids. So we're going to go ahead and open this up here, and as you can see on the inside, we have the cartoon artwork synonymous with every Tpob drop. Inside we have the troll here. We do have 2 different lids here. You got the pink and black. Underneath this we have the screwdriver, you have your zero gapping tool, also you have a brush, so we'll sit that back down there. Right here we have another lid, the black lid, and underneath that you have a charging cord. Now this doesn't come with a box to charge into the actual outlet, but you can easily get something to charge your clipper on Amazon. There's a link in the description where you can go see. There is an adapter that you can use to plug in multiple different USB devices into one cube. So here, last but not least, we have the trimmer. This is the Tpob troll. You have the blade cover, going to take that off, and of course you have the Tpob cycle blade, as you can see there. Graphite 6.9. It comes out the box hitting, slicing like nobody's business. I love the slime green colorway on this. You have the window that you can see through, and let's give it a little sound test. So this right here is not a loud trimmer at all. As you can see, it has a blue indicator light. It does turn red when it does need to be charged, and it does blink blue to show you that the actual trimmer is charging. Very nice ergonomic body, like it states. It does have your finger grooves there. Exposed blade to get around tight corners, tight areas. Just overall an absolute hitter behind the chair. I have done a video on the Tpob troll before, but I'm just unboxing all these to show you guys the different options that you could choose from. Now, like I said, there was upgrades as far as runtime, and the overall cycle blade being the actual blade that is issued out with every one of the troll trimmers now. So before you did have the XO blade, which is a good blade, but the cycle blade is the next level, the top tier in the Tpob catalog. So that is what you have in this box here. So we're going to go ahead and put this blade cover back on, set this here, and get on to the next tool. So next up, we have the Tpob troll, the black color with the green slime. Got the Tpob troll right there, and the green paint splatters. This is the one that comes with the gold cycle blade. So let's go ahead and open it up and let you guys see what we got. Of course, on the inside, you do have that cartoon artwork synonymous with everything. Like I said, you got your Tpob troll manual. Set that aside there. You have the green and black color. This is like a matte black. It does have a rubberized texture to it. I really dig this. This is kind of the same type of colorway that came on the Tpob troll with the TX blade, but this right here is looking very nice. Like I said, it does come with the Tpob gold cycle blade, as you can see there. Very, very nice feeling to this matte finish right here. But we'll go ahead and turn this on as well. Not loud at all, very light hum, very lightweight, just heavy enough. It is skeletonized like it states, and that just helps you get around tight areas. Very, very dope tool to have in your arsenal. And you cannot beat the price at $89.99 on Amazon, and you can also find them at thepissedoffbarber.com. But we'll set this aside here and go ahead and dive underneath to let you guys see what comes with the actual trimmer. Underneath, we have the charging cord, of course. You have the screwdriver. You have a zero gapping screwdriver where you can zero gap your blade if need be. This basically goes in here, you tighten or loosen. It also allows you to maneuver this blade up and down where you can zero gap your actual trimmer. And then you have a cleaning brush, of course. So to throw all this back inside and get to the last troll trimmer. Last but not least, we have the gunmetal gray colorway. As you can see here, if you guys are unaware, your boy does have an influencer edition with the Pissed Off Barber. You can find that on Amazon as well for $99.95, I believe, on Amazon. But it does have this colorway here, have the branding, the logo branding for my specific clipper. But this is the colorway that matches that actual clipper. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into this box and let you see what we have in this one. So we have the gray paint splatter there. We're gonna go ahead and open up the box. On the inside, you have your user manual, of course. Set that aside. Go ahead and take this lid off. And on the side as well, synonymous with every clipper you see from the Pissed Off Barber. Got that cartoon artwork. But we're gonna go ahead and take this out here. Let you see what comes underneath. Just like the black and green one, you have your oil, of course, you have a charging cord, you have your zero gapping screwdriver, and you also have your cleaning brush. So we're gonna go ahead and throw all this back in and take a look at the trimmer. So here is the gunmetal colored trimmer. Of course, you know I'm gonna like this because it is the Raider color type troll we got here. Got the TPOB Cycle Blade on there as well. And we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, let you get a sound test of this one as well. Very low hum, very great trimmer. All three are great choices. I'd say get all of them, but I know everybody be on a budget. And I know that is one of the great things about the TPOB brand is that you can find affordable tools with high quality. Just trying to show you guys all the different options that you may have and narrow down a choice for you if this is the trimmer you want to go with. Tons of great options, and they are all found on Amazon.com and at thepissedoffbarber.com. You can find all three there. You can use the code JBLUNCH to save yourself 15% off your purchase. But overall, great trimmers. But let's go ahead and get all these put together so you can see them side by side. So there are the three trimmers side by side. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and help it narrow down the choice of what colorway you wanted, what combination you wanted, also the different price points for each and every one of the tools. I will leave links to all these tools down in the description box. If you do choose to use the website, thepissedoffbarber.com, you can use code JBLUNCH to save yourself 15% off. If you do want to use Amazon, there will be a link at the bottom as well where you can see the different price points and see how long it will take to get shipped to you. If you do have Prime, it should be within 2 days. All the price points were left under the videos of each different tool so you can see what the different price points were. These are the three trimmers. Go cop yourself a TPOB Troll. Great behind the chair, does everything that you need it to do. Debulks, does great line work, extra crispy edge ups with the Cycle Blade. The Cycle Blade, you can hear the hair crunch when you actually use it. So just an overall great tool to add to your arsenal. So appreciate everybody for checking out this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.